to my channel, you guys. I know it has been a very long time. It's been a good minute, but you know, I've been a very busy girl, and as you can see, I have a new backdrop. You guys, look at that. It's so cute. We can't see because I'm like in the way, but here, let me push it up. So yeah, this is my new backdrop for you guys. I hope you guys like it. But today I am showing you a tutorial on passion twist. Now this is my hair picked out, I want to say like 95%. Like my hair. And if y'all hear noise in the background, of course you know that is my child Alani. But yeah, so this is my hair. I went ahead and washed it, blow dried it last night. I will review that the hair products that I use, which is Aussie Curls, the passion twist that I'm about to achieve on my natural hair today. And before I start, I just wanted to show you guys what products I'm using, what hair I'm using, and the things that I'm going to use to do this right. So first up, we have rubber bands. I am going to be doing the rubber band method just because me personally, I feel like that is neater to me, and I'm going to be able to grip my hair because my hair is coarse and fine. So I wanted it to stay in place for my hair being so coarse at the roots and have like a nice slick finishing look. But then when I do my hair, put my hair into the passion twist, the ends of my hair is very fine, so that shouldn't be any problem. But you know, we're gonna work through it. We're gonna work through it. But yeah, so I'm using the rubber band method, and these are the rubber bands. So I know some of you guys are probably like, what the hell is that? Well, in my these are the regular rubber bands. These are not the elastic rubber bands. I have used the elastic rubber bands before, but I found out with the elastic rubber bands, you know, they're tension rubber bands. So if your hair has too much tension, all that means is gonna pop. And so I want my hair to stay in place because these are twists, okay? And if you don't know, twists just, yeah. So these are regular rubber bands, and they are covered in wild hair growth oil. This is my #1 staple, wild hair growth oil. Guys, if y'all don't know, like, you a true A1 day one if you know that I love my #1 go-to oil is wild hair growth oil. So I'm just letting my rubber bands soak into the oil, soak into the rubber bands, so that way when my rubber bands are on the shaft of my hair, that it can have moisture to the rubber bands and it won't break off my hair. You know, you gotta think smart when it comes to stuff like this, and you want to have a bomb protective style. So yeah, next up, the next thing I got is Let's Jam Condition and Shine Extra Hold. This will be my first time using this. I seen somebody use it for their 4C hair and they said it works perfectly. This is how you know it's brand new, ain't been used. And of course I got extra hold because you know your girl got 4C hair and I need that extra hold, especially in this twist. You know, I got me some little jewels to put on my hair, even though I already have some from from before. I bought me some more, and I bought the strings to go with it because I just love the string. This is the kind of comb I will be using, but as you guys know, I switch up all the time, whichever is right for me at the time. So yeah, I have my crochet because you're gonna need a crochet needle in order for you to put the hair through the through the rubber bands. And then next up I have Murphy's Black Beeswax Seals In and Conditioner. This is what I'll be putting on my roots to make everything fall in line. This is gonna be my first time using this as well. I've seen plenty of results with this Murphy's Beeswax. So we're gonna see how good it is. It says it contains the finest imported beeswax delivered from the Australian honeybee. The excretion provides a stiff wax that is soft and easy to apply, great for dreadlocks and other styling needs. So this is what I will put on my roots to put into my rubber band. So I'm about to put the rubber bands in my hair, and I'll show you guys when I come back in a few. This is my hair and the rubber bands. You might not can see it, but this is what it looks like. And if you hear some noise in the background, it's my fan because girl got hot. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I don't even know if my parts are even. So, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start on my hair. I don't think I showed y'all the kind of hair that I actually got. So the kind of hair that I will be using is the Outre Expression Twisted Passion Water Wave 2. And this is what it looks like. So these were, I got it in a number 4. I'm pretty sure my hair is not 4. My hair is more so a 1B, but they really didn't have any 1Bs. They had 1s, and my hair is not that dark. But a 4 should do. This pack was $6.99. So, and I got 9 packs. But yeah, and it's 22 inches. I was gonna get shorter because I wanted it to my shoulders so it wouldn't take that long, but I seen a girl do it and she had 22 inches and I was just like, I have to have long hair. So yeah. Okay guys, so I am at the top. Ooh, my hair just fell. I'm at the top part of my hair, and so I want to show you guys a close-up pic of what my hair looks like. And so I'll make sure one is longer than the others. my passion twist. This is my first time doing this. So now I'm about to add some Aussie Miracle Curl Mousse. Silicone free, maximum free. Yeah, this has like my hair so soft. It's not even heavy on my head. It's not like, let it. She put it on these ends because y'all know. Use passion to it. So now I'm gonna take the curl refresher from Aussie, and this really holds your curls in place. So this stuff is smelling so good. Alright, so this is the finishing result of my passion twist. I hope you guys like, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, look how defined. Yo, like, I'm in love with these twists already. I got 22 inches, so they come down to right here. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Comment below on which hairstyle you like, and I will keep you updated on the maintenance with these passion twists. And I plan on keeping them in for like 2 weeks until I get my braids. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.